The next thing I want to do is remove the fuel tank, and while I was down here doing the suspension parts, I noticed what looks like a very handy drain plug. So we'll investigate that. How civilized is that? I've got this handy tank for draining the oil from engines, and as it hasn't been used for anything else yet, I'm going to capture the diesel in it, and hopefully I'll be able to keep it clean and maybe use it again. It's important to open this air vent so that as the fuel goes in here, the air is able to escape out. A handy thing, but once the dripping became a little bit more irregular, it's good to have it raised up a bit closer to where the fuel was coming out. There's a blank hole for sealing off the funnel one entrance, so then everything is contained. With the tank drained, now I'll try and disconnect this filler neck. These sort of clips get so weathered they rarely come peacefully, and this one is no exception. Prefer to replace them later anyway with Jubilee clips. It's loose enough though. Oh. Of course, if I wasn't filming this, I'd probably just drop the tank and figure all this stuff out later. You guys make me better. That's the breather pipe. These must be the inlet and the return. Okay, should be able to drop it now, and anything else that's going into it should be going in above, like the fuel sender, the level unit, you know. With the tank supported now, I can undo the supporting bolts. I think there's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fuel level sender unit, which is the last thing to disconnect on the tank. Now, unfortunately, I've traced this back. I can't see any join in this. Must be lost somewhere in the interior. And as I don't want to remove the interior in this car, and I don't want to do any damage to this connection because it looks like something that would be difficult to replace, I'm afraid I'm going to snip it and then rejoin it later.